The ascendancy of discipline over routines, a call to action for productivity and growth in the dynamic landscape of modern life. The dichotomy between discipline and routines persists as a fundamental factor in personal and professional success. This essay delves into the intricacies of these two concepts, elucidating their respective merits, and ultimately advocating for the primacy of discipline over routines. The nature of routines. Routines are repetitive patterns of behavior that provide structure and predictability in our lives. They often involve habitual actions performed at specific times or under certain circumstances, e.g., brushing teeth every morning. While routines offer a sense of stability, they can also foster complacency and limit growth. The limits of routines. Routines, by their very nature, are rigid and inflexible. They thrive on consistency, making them ill-equipped to accommodate changes or unexpected challenges. For instance, a sales professional may have a daily routine that includes cold calling potential clients at specific hours. However, when the market shifts, this rigid approach may prove ineffective, as the best leads might be unreachable during those hours. The evolution of discipline. Discipline, on the other hand, is a deliberate and focused application of effort towards achieving a goal. It involves self-control, persistence, and adaptability. Unlike routines, discipline allows individuals to respond effectively to changing circumstances, fostering growth and development. The power of discipline. Discipline enables practitioners to break free from the constraints of rigid routines. For example, a writer may have a daily word count goal rather than a specific writing time routine. This approach allows them to write when inspiration strikes or when their schedule permits, fostering productivity and creativity. The shift towards discipline in 2023. The global bestseller Breaking Free, The Power of Discipline Over Routines by renowned productivity expert Dr. Jane Thompson catalyzed a seismic shift in the way people approach their personal and professional lives. Thompson's book detailed numerous case studies demonstrating the superiority of discipline over routines in fostering growth, adaptability, and productivity. The call to action today: practitioners seeking to elevate their productivity and foster personal growth should prioritize discipline over routines. This means setting clear goals, focusing on self-control, and adapting one's efforts as circumstances change. By embracing discipline, break free from the shackles of rigid routines, fostering a more flexible, productive, and fulfilling life.